Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Neha Sawan and I make manifestation technique videos. And this is actually a requested video. Most of you all have asked me how to, increase your height, how to manifest your height. So this video is on how, a manifestation technique you can use to increase your height. Okay. So I have actually noted down 4 points on which you have to work to increase your height, to actually manifest your desire. Okay, so let's start it. First point is self love. Okay, I get so many messages that how can I manifest my desire, and I am actually manifesting my desire but it is not coming. When I say that okay, you require self love first of all, then most of you all actually get confused. Okay, that what is self love? I get two type of questions. Okay, that what is self love? This is the first question. Second is I am actually practicing self love but the desire is not coming. How I will manifest? Okay, first of all, I will answer this question. If you are actually giving yourself the love you require from the external source, then you do not require any desire. Okay, then you're not too much attached to your desire, you are just casually manifesting, and that is why the manifestation comes faster. Okay, and when you are actually seeking love from the external source and you actually get triggered when it doesn't come. Suppose this is a video on physical appearance, height, so I will actually talk about physical appearance. Suppose someone says you are ugly and you believe it and you actually get triggered. Okay, now this belief system has been created in your subconscious mind that yes, you are ugly. Okay, then this is not a symbol of a sign of self love. Okay, self love, I personally, I will give you my example. When I was a teenager, somebody actually commented on my looks that I do not look good. Okay, so I got triggered. Okay, and I accepted that fact that I do not look good. Okay, at this stage of my life I have accepted myself fully and I love myself. Okay, I do not seek any external judgment or comments on how I look. Okay, I feel I'm beautiful and that's enough. I do not get triggered if somebody do not like me. Okay, this is the kind of self-love level you want. Okay, to manifest your desire of any kind of physical appearance you are desiring. Okay, you have to casually sit and first of all focus that okay, if your height is this, you have accepted it and you have love for yourself. You love the way you look, you love the way your height is. Okay, and you casually manifest that I have to level up from my beauty level, I have to level up from my physical appearance, I have to level up from this height which I have right now. Then this is self love. You do not get triggered from the external source. Okay, now second is no anxiety about your manifestation, guys. Okay, see what this question, why this question comes to me, that I am giving myself self love, I am giving myself love, but I do not know why manifestation is not coming. This is why manifestation is not coming, because you do not know actually the meaning of self love. Okay, self love, as I said, where you do not care about the lack. Okay, you do not lack anything. First of all, I always mention this in my videos that you do not lack anything. Everything is inside you and you can create your reality. Okay, so you do not have to create anxiety or worry that this is not coming, my height is not increasing. It is not overnight thing. Your physical appearance will not change overnight. Okay, height will increase. I will say personally that height will increase step by step. You need to have the patience. Okay, and you need to have the faith. You do not have to create anxiety, because okay, I will give you example. You order something from Flipkart. Okay, and you pay money to Flipkart and you have faith that I have paid money, now this order will be delivered to my house. Okay, the same goes with the universe. Okay, you just have to click the button and you have to pay your thoughts connected with the emotion of the desire, and you have to give to the universe, and the universe will always deliver your manifestation. Rather, it can be related to your physical appearance, your any other desire like dream job, government job, or ex back, new love, everything. Okay, so you do not have to create anxiety. Okay, third is visualization. When you are at this stage where you have all kind of self love, you are giving to yourself, you do not care about the external judgment on your physical appearance. Now you do not have anxiety because you have full faith that the universe is going to deliver your physical desired physical appearance, desired height. Now you have to visualize. I will give you personal 2 examples. You can use another examples also. Okay, so first you can imagine, from my side I'm giving you these examples. You can visualize something else also. You can imagine something else. As I said, first you can imagine that you are standing with the person with, who has actually your desired height. Okay, and you are standing with that person in the equal height. Your eyes are meeting. Okay, this is the first imagination or thought you can create with the emotion that yes, you are feeling this, you have right now. Now second is you are actually measuring your height and it is your desired height. Okay, this is the second thing, and you can go on visualizing for 5 minutes or 10 seconds. It doesn't matter. Only thing matters is, as I always say in my videos, setting the intention. Okay, do not force anything. Okay, for 1 hour, 2 hours, 5 minutes is enough. Okay, now fourth thing, what you have to do, you have to write down your desire of increased height. Example, you can write, wow, I have 5'6" height, I have 6 height, I have 5'8" height, anything, the increased height, which that your desired height. Okay guys, so why you have to, I personally feel why writing is very powerful, because when we are writing, before writing we are creating that line in our mind. It means we are thinking that, then we are connecting the emotion, then we are writing and looking at those words. So that is directly and powerfully actually fitting in our subconscious mind, and whatever is fitting in our subconscious mind, it is actually going to get manifested, guys. Okay, so the main thing is fitting in the subconscious mind. I personally feel that writing is very powerful. So you fourth step is, after visualization, at that time only write your desire of increased height. Okay, wow, I have this height, my desired height, and in that my desired height column you have to fill your desired height. Okay, example, I have 5'6" height. Okay, so these are the 4 points you have to work on. First is self-love. Second is no anxiety or worry, because your manifestation is always going to come. Okay, third is visualization of your increased height, desired height, and fourth is write down your desire. Okay, these are the 4 points you have to practice on to increase your height. I hope I have made you clear. Thank you so much.